Alright everybody, I'm out here with the Mavic Mini at the old golf course. Josh was out here the other day and I saw his video and I said, wow, that thing is pretty dilapidated looking coming out of winter. I think I ever seen it like this. Well, I don't come here as often as he does, but let's start some video and check it out.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Looks good. Is there some people over there on the other side? Looks like I might see a car there. Maybe it's Josh. Maybe he's over there. There's two cars there, I think. I think I see two of them. Yep, I made it 2,500 feet. That's enough. That's pretty good. Oh yeah. Look how barren it looks. Wow. Should be seeing me here pretty shortly. Okay. I just got to bring it down because I'm losing the bind here a little bit. I mean, I was over 300 feet up there. That's why I couldn't see myself that well, actually. I'm right there. As it's coming down on top of me. I see a big hawk up there. The Mini is spectacular. If you don't have one of these, you need to go get one. Yep, this is a spectacular product. Boy, I can't get any more impressed with this than I am. Wow. All right, well, I just wanted to come over and get a shot for myself. I'm watching Josh's cool Xeno video he did, so I said, oh, let me come over here and check it out, see what it looks like with my own eyes. I know right over that hill, I think, is the lake. Is that pond or whatever it is. Or not a pond, I mean it's a stream. There it is down. Oh, somebody's walking their dog down there. Or there are two dogs. They got two dogs over there. Yeah. I don't want to bother them. So we'll just go back. He's walking his dogs on the cart paths. So that's cool. That's why I'm out here in the mud part. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up.
Landing.
All right, guys. That'll do it for me for today. You guys have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.